So apparently we're now here in like a really cool area called Saint-Germain. But yeah, it's like everybody's out. It's Saturday, so everybody's out walking around. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna walk around here for a little bit. So we are here at the Plaza of Saint-Michel, or yeah, I think so. And we're gonna be doing the Sandeman's free walking tour, but Sandeman's free walking tour.
I said Sandelman.
My bad. But it is the biggest like free walking tour group that we've seen in the. I think we've probably done like 6 or 7 of these probably. And so they're gonna split us into 3 groups, but it's a lot of people, which is good to see that tourism is back in Paris. How do you find the tour so far?
We have a good tour guide.
Apparently he's the only French tour guide out of the 3, so we got lucky. Notre Dame. Tour. So we were able to see mainly Notre Dame, and then now we're headed to the Louvre. But Melissa, where have we ate dinner the last 3 days?
No.
Lunch and 2 dinners.
No.
Yeah.
Wait. Oh yeah. Wait, what? Yeah, you're right. Street Bangkok.
It's literally around the corner from our hotel, so quite convenient. But it's the best duck and crispy pork and
ever had.
Yeah, like super good. All right, we just finished our walking tour in the Louvre. What do you think?
He was really good. Our tour guide, anyway. Yeah, I thought it was a really great tour. Highly recommend getting Francois. Well, you don't get to choose, but...
Yeah, you don't get to choose, but our tour guide, he actually lives in Paris, so that's the good thing about these tours. You have someone who's local. And what's cool about this tour was that he's pretty funny actually. Like the stories that he tells is a little quirky and has fun stories. So really highly recommended. Yeah, you don't walk super much, so it was a good pace. And then you get to see like the Latin Quarter, Notre Dame, and we were kind of talking about Notre Dame and fire and all this stuff. The French government thinks it's gonna be about 5 years before it's totally renovated. The French locals here in Paris don't think that's gonna happen. They think it's more like 15, 20 years maybe, because that's just how things work. And then you walk down the Seine, you see some other historical monuments and buildings, and you end up across this this bridge and over in the Louvre. But now, where are we going?
A different street Bangkok. We're going to a grill and beer one. The one by our hotel is a roast and beer. So there were like different roasted meats. Now we're going to grill, so we'll get like skewers.
We literally have ate at the same street, Bangkok, 3 days in a row. First day we had it for lunch because it's, well, the great thing about that restaurant is across the street, like around the corner from my hotel. So we ate it for lunch the first day and then had it for dinner 2 days in a row. But it's really good, like legitimately it's probably the best pork, crispy pork that we've ever had, right?
Yeah, in life.
The owner chef worked at Noma, yeah, the #1 restaurant in the world, you know, for the past however many years in Copenhagen. Happy with your food?
I'm not sold on a sausage. I didn't want the sausage. You wanted the sausage. I'm happy to share the ribs.
Okay, yeah, we got ribs, this sausage. They also had a chicken satay, but these were the two that looked the best.
To you.
To me. I was giving Melissa a little bit of a hard time earlier because I said we can't eat at the same restaurants 4 days in a row. But it's not really the same restaurant, it's different. But dang, this rib, probably the best rib I've ever had. And we come from Texas, so we have good barbecue. This may be sacrilegious to say, but I think this is better. What do you think?
Can't go wrong with street Bangkok.
So apparently we're now here in like a really cool area called Saint-Germain. But yeah, it's like everybody's out. It's Saturday, so everybody's out walking around. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna walk around here for a little bit. Apparently there's a concert, a free concert.
It is free. Like you can't purchase tickets, but you have to basically earn a ticket.
We just found about it.
We don't have tickets. We were just trying to go. I was trying to see if we could change our Eiffel Tower tickets to today, on Monday. Monday's weather's supposed to be bad. And then I saw that Eiffel Tower's closing early today due to this concert.
We made our way down to the second floor, which is the biggest viewing platform. And yeah, like I was asking Melissa if it was worth coming down to the second platform. Definitely much closer. Like you don't realize how high you're up there until you make it down to the second floor. Like we're almost at street level, but not really.